Hi, welcome to God Thoughts. I have a rough drawing that I did, and I just want to draw something up real quick and relating to these God Thoughts that was given to me on January 28th, 2023. And it's in reference to this verse, which is not, I don't know which version of the verse it is. It's not King James, so I'm not sure exactly, but anyway, the verse is, "The Lord your God in your midst, the mighty one, will save. He will rejoice over you with gladness. He will quiet you with his love. He will rejoice over you with singing." Zephaniah 3:17. So I had prayed a prayer to God and I wrote it out. I said, this thought, Lord, how your voice would sound with your singing seems it would penetrate into our full beings and soul. And then I asked the Lord, can you share anything more regarding your voice? And these were God thoughts. My voice is the wind, the rustle of the trees, the sound of the waves, the birds chirping, the lion roaring, the briskness of the wind, breaking the branches. Nature speaks and sings in tune and with me. The instruments sing in tune with me as well, harmonizing my heart's melody. Each note played for me sends out vibrations into my atmosphere. So keep your heart in tune with me, and the melody will be sweet for thy soul and draw you closer to me. Heavenly tunes will send you on a musical path of peaceful freedom on my wings of righteousness, to bring about a peace that passes all understanding, yet beautiful, yet beautiful. Let the love of my music flow in and throughout your being, that you may be found with the spirit of righteousness within, to feel my love and presence, guiding you, comforting you, healing you. Sing until your heart is content, because my grace is sufficient for thee. My angelic angels keep watch over you. So that was God thoughts regarding this verse. And you can do the same. Just write out your prayers, align your heart right with God, of course, first, and ask, write out your prayer, a question to God about something that you have, and just wait in anticipation to hear God thoughts in thought, for you. And anyway, I may redo this drawing, but it will be available in the drop-down menu somehow, some way, that you could get copies of it in black and white, so you can color it the way you want, add to it or whatever. And I might redraw it as well, because this was just a rough draft. But anyway, you could support my channel in purchasing some of these drawings or art that you see on the channel. Okay, God bless and take care, and thanks for watching the channel and liking and subscribing. Okay, take care. God bless. Okay, bye.